All right, students, welcome to Wigmaking 101. I'm Nakia, your instructor. I want to make sure that I can communicate to you guys the most important dates that are going to be happening this next couple of weeks. So there are three very important dates. You have April the 17th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We will learn how to make the 360 lace closure wig. So what you will need in that course, if you're going to be doing this with me, because I am going to be doing it live, you are going to need a dome cap. A regular wig cap will work just as much, but I prefer a dome cap because that's what I'm going to be using. You're going to need a 360 lace closure, so it should look like this. And you're also going to need about 1 to 2 bundles of hair. So I'm only using one bundle because it's for the purpose of teaching, but I will definitely let you guys know how you can add in all 2 to 3 bundles depending on your 360 closure. But one bundle really is enough. So those are the things you're going to need. You're also going to need a canvas head, whatever size you have that works for you will do. We're also going to be doing this by hand and by sewing machine, so you're going to learn both techniques. So make sure you have those materials for the live course. Now there's another date, which is April the 24th. And April the 24th, I'm going to be talking about toppers. And when I mean toppers, it's for hair loss, or hair thinning. So it's usually what people wear when they have thinning along the top of their hair, and that's mostly known in the Caucasian market. For the African market or the black market, we usually have hairline issues. So we usually have hair loss that happens along the hairline. So that's the best type to help with that is lace frontals and 360 closure type wigs. But we're going to talk about toppers and what you need to know when it comes to making them for whoever your client is that is dealing with hair thinning and hair loss. So you need to know some things, and I will also be doing that particular course live as well. I will let you know a week ahead of time what materials you will need for that if you plan on actually doing that particular course with me while I'm doing it live. And then there is a third date, May 1st, which is also a Wednesday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I am going to be talking about how you can start your own business in wig making. I'm going to talk about the niches that are available to you. There's tons of niches when it comes to wig making. It's not just about buying hair or selling hair, but actually helping a particular market of people who deal with hair loss and thinning hair. So I'm going to be teaching all of the different markets out there as far as training, fulfilling products for clients, all of those different niches, doing it online. I will be teaching that as well. And then I will give you step-by-step instructions on how you can get started. This is free to you as a student, so you don't have to worry about the cost. This is actually being tagged on to May's new skill that we're learning, which is outsourcing and packaging. So I'm going to be doing that for the month of May. So keep in mind these 3 dates. They're very important to you because they're going to be live. If you're not able to make them, don't worry. They will be available to you on the site because you're a student, so you don't have to worry. You should already have my personal number so that if you have any questions, it's best that you text me because I can respond a little bit faster. I know I don't respond as fast as you probably would like, but I try my best because I'm a very busy person. Not only am I helping to teach you, I'm also helping to teach other companies and training as well that I'm under contract with. So I just want to make sure that you guys are clear of where I'm at. So I also want you guys to forgive me for missing the last live. I don't even think you guys even noticed that there was a live that was supposed to happen with the 360 lace this past weekend, but we had some technical difficulties going on, and there was a few other things that were happening. So it's unfortunate that I have to make sure that these lives are done at 7 p.m. during the week, and Wednesday is the best that I can do based off my timing. So please forgive me if you weren't able to make these time best for you. That's why I need for you guys to have my personal number just in case I need to work with you one-on-one. So other than that, make sure you go back through this video if you think you missed anything. You can also look down below for more information. I will see you this coming Wednesday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We'll be doing a 360 lace wig closure, lace closure. You guys know what I'm talking about, so I'll see you then.